8, 9, 10 are consecutive whole numbers. Show that their sum is a multiple of 3. Well, the sum is 8 plus 9 plus 10. 17 plus 10 is 27. I've got to show it's a multiple of 3, and 27 equals 3 times 9. That shows it's a multiple. These three numbers represent three consecutive whole numbers. They're just the general terms. Write down their sum in its simplest form. Well, how many n's have I got? 1 n, 2, I've got 3 n's plus 3. Explain why this sum is a multiple of 3. Well, I can just factorise it and get 3n plus 1 is 3n's plus 3. So it's 3 times a value, therefore it's a multiple of 3. Use n plus 1, n plus 2 to represent three whole numbers. So I've got the same thing here. So I've got 3 lots of n plus 1 is 78. What I could do, I'll probably multiply the brackets. 3n's plus 3 equals 78. Take away 3 from both sides. With 3n's equals 75. So 1n equals 25. And the n's the first one. So I've got 25, 26, 27. Just check they add up to 78. They do. So that's my 3 marks to that part. Give an example to show why the product of three consecutive whole numbers is a multiple of 6. I'll try 2, 3, and 4. If I times them together, that'll give 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 3 times 4. 6 times 4 is 24. That's not enough. I've got to say it's a multiple of 6. I've got to say that 4 times 6 equals 24. That's done it. Explain why the product of three consecutive whole numbers is always a multiple of 6. I don't need to use any algebra. Well, if you've got three consecutive numbers, at least one is a multiple of 2, and 1 is a multiple of 3. Therefore, the product is a multiple of 6. To help show you what I mean from that, if you have 13 times by 14 times by 15, at least one of them is a multiple of multiple of 2, even number. That is 2 times 7. And at least one of them has to be a multiple of 3, because this one is multiple of 3 here. So that is 3 times 5. And when I multiply these together, I get 13 times 2 times 7 times 3 times 5. I mean, multiplying, doing it in any order. So I've got here a 2 times a 3. So I could have swapped these two around, and then I'd have got a times 6 in the middle. That's why it works. You didn't need that bit, but the bit you wanted up here was about the multiples of 2, multiples of 3. That's 8 done.